Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to change the render scale setting in Mewgenics. Let's begin by opening the Settings menu, then navigate to Video Settings. Here you can change the render scale. It is set by default to 100%. It goes down to 20%, and as you can see, my screen became fuzzy because, well, the game is rendered in 20% value and then upscaled, and then simply stretched out, so the lower this value, the lower the overall quality, visual quality, but higher performance. Of course, you can go back to 100, but no, unfortunately, you cannot go above it, so render the game bigger and then compress it down, so you have better looking game. Choose simply a value you prefer and then simply hit back. That's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.